My name is David Hamilton. I'm the Sales and Marketing Director for the group. Streit was born in 1991 back in Canada, and in 2004 the chairman decided to move to the Middle East, and he opened the headquarters in Ras Al Khaimah in United Arab Emirates. And since then we've grown. We went to Jordan, a new facility is coming up in Uganda. We've got a current facility in Ras Al Khaimah, so the company is expanding. And also the variety of the product has expanded as well. So we're talking about normal APCs, you've got 4x4, you've got 6x6, you've got 8x8, and also we got into the arming boats business as well. And we produce our own ballistic glass. So the range of products that we have, it's very wide, and the variety, it's amazing. Over 120 vehicles we produce. The capacity on full production for the facility, you can talk about 800 vehicles per month. Producing the armored boats in 2018 in Ras Al Khaimah in United Arab Emirates. And it's been really great because from the current customers we're dealing with, they came back to us with some feedback if we can help them to design armored boats. And with the engineering and the research and development that we have, we did establish that. And now we are one of the main suppliers, worldwide, because we've been in the industry for the last 30 years, saving lives. And thanks to God, not even one casualty in our vehicles, which is an advantage. We never compromise on the quality. Absolutely, because when you're talking about the vehicles, the technology behind the design and the production, it comes, the chairman is in charge, and then a high-level team becomes below him. So, for example, we've got the Spartan. This is based on a Ford F550. And the other advantage of the company, we are the only company in the world keeping more than 1,000 vehicles in stock. 296 vehicles in stock of the Spartans, where others have to wait months just for a chassis or for an engine or for whatever. For us, we can deliver immediately the next day. And it's happening. That's what giving us the strength in the market. And no one else can compete with us.